Tired of traditional banking hassles and ready to embrace a simpler, smarter way to manage your money? Let's dive into how you can quickly set up a Monzo account and revolutionize your financial life. First, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Monzo. Download and install the Monzo app on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, open it and tap Sign Up. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure it's something you can easily remember, but hard for others to guess. Next, Monzo will ask for some personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and current residential address. Be accurate as this information is vital for verification. Now comes the important part, identity verification. Monzo needs to confirm you are who you say you are. You'll typically be asked to upload a photo of a valid photo ID, like a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Follow the in-app instructions for taking a clear, valid picture. After uploading your ID, you'll likely be asked to record a short video selfie. This is another security measure to ensure your identity. Just follow the on-screen prompts and speak clearly. Now that your identity is verified, you can choose the type of account you want to open, such as a personal account. Congratulations! Once approved, your Monzo account is set up. You'll receive your bright coral Monzo card in the mail. Within a few days, you can start using your virtual card immediately while you wait. With your new Monzo account, you can now enjoy features like real-time spending insights, budgeting tools, and easy savings pots. Welcome to the future of banking.